Page 59, calendar songs. A song you use to learn the number of days in each month, if you want. 4/4 time, so we got to count to 4 again. We're still in C position. We got the slurs. See where those are? You just connect those notes. At the end of the first line, there's a slur on that measure. And then you end, so you're going to lift the hand up before you play the first note in the next line. Here. So it's just an up and then down. So just a little silence there. There's a little break in the sound. Don't connect the last note in the first line with the first note in the second line. No. We want some silence between them because they're on different slurs. That's important. Also, the middle of the second line, you have slurs there, so the half note, lift up before you play the G in the left hand. So there's a little silence there. That's kind of important. And it's going to be even more important as the music gets more involved. It's repeated. Go play it twice. Now the tricky part. They got a little note in red above. It says second time. That means when you repeat it. Both hands an octave lower. So the first time you play it, you're in C position here. But then when you repeat, you got to pretend C, middle C goes down here. You're down here. So you're coming from here the first time to here the second. That's kind of important. Now a little bit about moving around. This is the first time we have to move in the middle of a piece. So let's talk about it. It is quite common in piano playing for us to practice hand movements if we have to, because the beat has to go on. You can't mess up the beat. You can't hesitate. You can't stall or nothing. It's got to keep going. So when you finish this piece, at the first time you're here, the second you repeat it, you got to go down an octave. So now you got to go to here. There's no rest or nothing. You just got to be there. So I'm suggesting in this case, because only the right hand is going to play, go ahead and get the right hand down here, ready to go, because it wants this note. So whenever the half note at the end of the piece, when the half note is over, the right hand is already here, and it's ready to go on. And then once the left hand is done, then the left hand's got time to move down. So don't try and just get both hands there at the same time. It doesn't work very well here. No. Do it this way. You one hand at a time in this case. Get the hand there. Now you can go. And then you move the left hand over. It's what I'm recommending. So what I'd like to do is give us 4 counts. We'll play it together slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. And we are going to repeat it. And we are going down an octave on the second one. So I suggest you learn the music first, then you can learn the words a lot. You can take care of the words. Put your hands in C position. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Repeat. 4. 4. 4 off. Now there is a duet at the bottom. I'd like to try that. And to make it work, it's really important that you do go down an octave the second time, because the first time the duet is playing up here, because you're here and the duet's above you, and when you go down when you repeat it down here, the duet also goes down. And if you don't go down, then you're in each other's way. So make sure you go down, because the duet goes down. Everybody goes down. Yeah. So I'm going to give us 4 counts. Let's do this duet together. Now keep in mind the duet part is different, so you have to pay attention to what you're doing, but you got to listen to what I'm doing to stay with me. And we are going to repeat it, of course. Now the last 2 measures of the second line, the first time you play it, the duet part doesn't have anything. So I'm going to go ahead and play those measures with you just to keep you going. So put your hands in C position. Here, here. Here we go. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Four. Repeat. 4.